World is changing fast. Are you geared up to match the space? Future will definitely not look like what it is today. There will be remarkable and inevitable changes. The world of jobs will see a landscape shift in the next 2 decades. Better we prepare ourselves today and start thinking of building new skills before becoming obsolete, or start teaching and training our kids from today so that they are ready for tomorrow. Hello friends, I am Anjana Sagar and today I am presenting the top 10 careers in demand today but which will become redundant over a period of time because of advances in technologies. Number 1. Printers and publishers. How many of us are reading the news or article from a hard copy these days? Most of us are either watching TV for news or reading and watching everything on internet on various platforms. And what about children? With everything online, be it studies or Kindles or videos, it is easy to guess the future of print media. Name any big brand like Forbes, New York Times, their print media is collapsing and eventually almost all brands have moved to digital world. Number 2. Travel agents. When did the last time you contacted a travel agent to plan a trip for you? Well, with booking.com, makemytrip.com, TripAdvisors, and many more, you don't need any third person. Airbnb is giving hotel business a tough time. And who knows, maybe one day we will be able to book everything through Alexa or Siri. Number 3 is stock traders. In 2015, as per a study by Bloomberg, it was discovered that only 10% of the stocks are traded by humans worldwide, and rest are bots. Wherever there is money, someone will try to automate it and get an edge. Yes, it's true. If you want to buy a particular stock, you will go to your favorite trading platform, fill in the required details, and hit buy. By the time this information reaches market server and gets approved, the bots play their role. They sense that this purchase is going to happen. They buy it for themselves, trade it between themselves, and then sell it to you at a higher price. Welcome to the world of micro trading. Number 4. Cashiers. In our country, numerous of youngsters work as cashier in departmental stores. This job will be over soon, then we think, as self-check stations are coming to replace them. Of course, there will be someone to supervise, but till what time no one knows. Machines are taking over everything. Amazon is already running pilot tests where the person goes in the store, takes what he or she wants and walks out. Everything he or she bought being deducted by sensors of her or his credit card. Number 5 is bank teller. We really do not go to bank nowadays. We check balance, transactions, everything on our smartphones. If we want cash, we go to the ATM. We can open an account online anytime. If there is any service request or grievance, it can be solved over a phone call or a video call. So that means bank tellers are soon going to be out of job. Number 6 is farmers. Sad but true. With the advances in the technology, agriculture industry is booming. Today, agriculture is the most lucrative employment sector. With more advancement, we will have better technology. Instead of measuring the land manually, the drone will measure the dimensions and with more accuracy. The tractors or trucks are going to be autonomous and will sow the seeds on their own. Already there are machines which can cut the crop and segregate the grains. In near future, all these machines will have upgraded hardware, and with the help of artificial intelligence, the controller will be able to work sitting in an AC room. Though this will take some time to reach to the remote areas of developing countries. Number 7 is drivers. Automobile industry is going through a major transition phase. Internal combustion engines are being replaced by batteries. And now the autopilot mode is posing a threat to the jobs of drivers. Taxi drivers, bus drivers, truck drivers, delivery drivers are on the verge of complete automation. A self-driving truck doesn't need to stop for rest. It's attentive 24/7. Government of Germany is betting hard on self-driving trucks. All major car makers are moving towards self-driving options, and those who won't will be left behind. Number 8 is accountants and tax preparers. One thing is for sure that the repetitive jobs will be taken over by algorithms. Accountants go over your data and organize it. And that's what algorithms love to do. Of course, writing an algorithm is costlier, but the cost of software is recovered in 2 years. That's why AI is after the jobs of accountants. Number 9 is manufacturing workers. With the industrial revolution, farmers entered the industries. They made machines. With these machines, they made more machines. And the funny part is that these machines are replacing the humans. Today, robots are replacing humans in almost every sector, especially the manufacturing industry, because robots can work more efficiently than humans, and the loss of human life due to an accident in plant is out of question in such case. Now, the 10th option, which will surprise you. The 10th is movie star. You thought they are safe? Wrong. These actors are expensive and humans can face ups and downs in life. A project of crores cannot be jeopardized for an individual. You must have noticed that big blockbusters are animations. Similarly, big projects like sci-fi movies, the real actor is less on screen than his CGI counterpart. Soon actors will sell their 3D persona, which can be generated in any scene. This is surely mind-blowing. It is good to see the changes happening in the technologies, but what if these technologies eat our jobs? No worries, there will be new careers with new technologies. The only thing is to keep ourselves updated and keep learning. These new career options will be discussed in the next video. Till then, do subscribe to my channel and do like the video. Thank you for watching.